Hey everyone, so welcome back in my channel, and today I have for you the Ubuntu. Yes, Ubuntu Kinetic Kudu I have, and this is the Ubuntu Unity. So you can see this is the new look of the Ubuntu Unity 22.10 version, and the code name is Kinetic Kudu. And so Ubuntu Unity is also now an official flavor, okay, of the canonical. So now we will take a look at the recent changes. Massive changes are there, so we will talk about that. So first of all, just see in this panel, right? So the major change in this panel, and then you can see this icons, this little icon, and when you click here, actually you can switch themes. So first of all, just I am opening some apps such as files I am opening. So you can see these are the files, right? So and the global menu, the great thing of Unity is the global menu. Whatever app you are using, you can see, you will not see the menu here, you actually see the menu here, right? So this is the global menu, always at the same place. So if you go to about, you will see that the Nemo file manager is used in this version, right? So it is actually default for the Cinnamon desktop. Actually, some applications are actually borrowed from the Mate desktop environment, and also from Cinnamon, because due to, I think, those are lightweight in nature and load time is very fast actually. So it loads very quickly, and that's why they are replacing the GNOME apps. Okay, so basically now I'm talking about the switching of the theme. So this is the dark theme, and if you click switch theme, then you will see now it is the light theme, right? So one click switching, that's very cool, right? And also you will see switch accent colors. So this Yaru theme has been introduced here. This is the Yaru theme, Yaru icons, and you can see these are some blue colored icons. So suppose I am switching the accent colors, and suppose this Prussian green. So just click here, and you will see that these are turned to green. So very quick change you can see in the accent colors. So that's awesome. But here you will not see the accent color. These will actually controlled by theme. But in the icons actually you see the change of the accent colors, right? Suppose I'm changing to red, and you can see red, and also in the Unity dash, Unity dock, you will see the red. So accent colors you will see in the icons and in the dash also. Okay, so that's for the accent colors. So now many more has to come. Now talking about the wallpapers, some new wallpapers has been added, and you just see, and just change background, and you can see some Kinetic Kudu wallpapers has been added here, and you can see a lot of wallpapers has been added. uh, you can see all this. Suppose I'm clicking this, so this wallpaper, that's very nice looking, and also this. All right, so very cool Kinetic Kudu wallpaper. So this is the Kinetic Kudu wallpapers you can see, and those are very looks really nice with the accent colors. So you can see that's very cool. That's awesome, right? The logo is present actually, and also some scenes are there. So very cool desktop wallpapers are here to look at. Okay, so just really cool. Okay, and so now I'm talking about some settings. Okay, so just go to the system setting, and in the system setting, basically what you have to notice, and you can see the appearance, brightness, security, text, and all the things. And this is added Wacom tablet. So if you have Wacom tablet, so you don't have to configure it, just plug it and play with it. That means whatever you can do, you can write anything. Basically, if you don't know what is Wacom tablet, how can you use it, I have already made a video. Just click the I button and watch that video of Wacom tablet. Okay, all things will be crystal clear how to use in the Linux device or Linux machine. Okay, so now basically I'm talking about The appearance, in the appearance section, all the things I have just mentioned. And also from here you can change the theme, so you can change the theme also, Yaru or Yaru dark. But icons, now color, now basically these are the icon colors. So this you can choose many icons you can see, right? A lot of icons you can see. And also a launcher icon size, so you can actually change the size of this launcher, Unity launcher, the favorite launcher, okay, traditionally favorite launcher. So you can actually make small size or you can big size, okay, so you can change that. And language support is there. And display, basically you can change the display. From here you can change the refresh rate if you have some gaming laptop, so either you need some actually 144 Hz display or 60 Hz, you can change that from here. And now some significant changes I will talk about. So first of all, see the RAM usage, and for that I will go to the system monitor. So in the system monitor you will see many things. And basically you just see here that the RAM usage is 952 MB. When you actually install the system, this will be less, actually almost 700 MB, you will see less than 700 MB. So RAM usage is significantly decreased in this version, right? 22.10 version. And so it will be very helpful for a low hardware PC or old PC. And also this is for a new PC also, because a lot of modern developments have been there, because Unity is still alive after 6 years, and it is now officially distributed by the Ubuntu, so a lot are coming, of course. Okay, so that's the RAM usage, so you can see. And now talking about some other things. Suppose in the settings, I think I have mentioned the things. And in the detail, when you go to the detail, you will see this is the Unity 7.6 version, okay. And all the information of my laptop, that is I'm running the in the VirtualBox. But in the VirtualBox, this system actually goes awesome. That means all the animations, it works fine, and all the things are actually working fine in the VirtualBox also. So that's the thing. And all right, now I'm taking to the Unity. Okay, so first of all, just see, this is the dash, this is the dash. And that's very cool. Whatever you can search, also you can filter your searches, okay. And now suppose I'm going to the application, okay. So just click the application and just install, and just click here, see 65 results. So now you can see all the installed apps in one place. So a lot of apps has been pre-installed in this release, but the ISO size is not that big. So it's cool. And it is possible because many GNOME apps are replaced by some Mate apps or Cinnamon apps, such as Authoril Document Viewer. Actually, Events is replaced by Authoril Document Viewer. And also you will see the Eye of Mate, okay, replaced by actually Eye of, not Eye of GNOME. Here is Eye of Mate. This is the image viewer, right? And also some pre-installed apps. You can see this is a cheese to record the video of the webcam, or taking the pictures from the webcam. And also the disk, that is the disk management utility. But also the gparted partition editor is present, so it's awesome. This is the number one gparted number one partition editor. And files, this is the Nemo file manager, and Firefox. And this is the installer, and language support, and all the LibreOffice actually installed, okay. LibreOffice is pre-installed. And the latest LibreOffice, almost latest, you will see 7.4 version. You will see the LibreOffice. Mate calculator, right? So Mate app is here present. And Puma, this is the text editor. Shotwell photo manager. And the great app, Stacer is installed here, okay. So I'm just going to the Stacer because that's very, very interesting. A lot of things you can do from a single app. Now you can see this is the Stacer app, and you can see this is the info about your computer. So you can see the host name, platform, Ubuntu Kinetic Kudu, and this is the beta version. Okay, and the kernel 5.19 it is using. This is my processor Ryzen 5 5600H with Radeon graphics, and basically this is the uploaded download speed when you use the internet. This is the CPU usage 4%. This is the RAM usage, so 793 MB of RAM, and this is the disk usage. Okay, and a lot of other things you can see from here. Okay, these are some startup application if you have, and by this is the system cleaner. You can clean your system, and here you can do some search of the things, and here basically you can enable or disable the startup apps or the apps running now currently. So you can enable or disable from here all the apps. You will see all the apps here. That's really cool. And also these are the processes, okay, running currently, and this is the uninstaller, so you can actually uninstall some package from here. And this is the graph. This is the CPU graph, CPU usage graph. You can see CPU load graph, and this is the actually network things, network IP addresses, and these are the repositories. So you can actually disable or enable the repositories currently this have. This is the window manager tweaks, some window manager tweaks you can see the appearance section. Okay, and here basically some language also. So from only one this app you can actually do many things, right? So many things you can do from a single app. So that's amazing that Stacer is pre-installed here. I'm just reading it. All right, now I'm going to the tweak tool, Unity tweak tool. That's very important in this release. And so now I'm coming to the Unity section. That means Unity launcher. Okay, so in the Unity launcher you can change the auto hide, okay, or always visible, transparency level, or I'm talking about this launcher, Unity launcher, our favorite launcher. And now position and the animation, launch animation. This is the pulse. That means when you click here, a pulse animation you can see, right? So this is the pulse animation. And launch animation, so you can actually change these also, and icon size you can change. Now going to the search means this top, this is the search. Okay, so this portion, so you can change the background blur, and background blur is pre-activated, and you can see the background is blur now, right? And this blur is actually you can change from active or static. That means suppose a video is playing in the background, that means a video is playing and then you can search something, so you can actually watch the video in the background with some blurry effect, and that's the active blur. So it uses more CPU power, of course. And in the static you will just see a static background, a static blur background. Okay, so for the static, so active is default, and you can do that if you have enough processing power. Okay, so that's cool. And also you can enable search for your file, so you can clear also history from the dash, right? And now talking about the panel, so this is the panel, upper panel, very sleek panel. And so here date and time you can either use 24 hours or 12-hour format. Currently it is default in the 24-hour format, so suppose I'm doing 12 hours, so you can see the AM or PM, right? That's nice. And also power, visible power, and the battery you can also show percentage in the menu bar, so you can see this is the percentage. And also display the remaining life, that how much time it is remaining. So 3 hours 45 minutes remaining, the battery power I have. So that's you can do from here also, right? And the volume button, that means show my name. Okay, all these things you can do in the panel. Now in the switcher, this is the actually keyboard shortcut to switch the apps. Okay, and you can see these shortcuts. Okay, you can pause the video and see these shortcuts. So okay, now in additional you can see some things, right? Okay, that's all for Unity Unity section. Now coming to the window manager. in the window manager, you can see desktop magnification is enabled. And now coming to this animation, this is really impressive, because window animations are on, and minimize and unminimize effects. You can see, suppose I am just choosing some app. Okay, just I'm choosing this app, settings app. So now animations, I will see. Now suppose in minimize I'm doing the okay, you can see a lot of animations are here, right? So I'm using, suppose, a magic lamp to minimize. So now I'm minimizing, and you can see this is the magic lamp effect. That's really cool to look at, right? And suppose and also you can minimize these effects, you can change also, right? Of course. And suppose magic lamp, and then suppose sidekick. Okay, now I'm minimizing. Okay, very nice. So this is the sidekick, and also a magic lamp wavy. So more wavy magic lamp you can see. All right, and that's very nice. And then I can change to the glide one. So now see the glide one animation. All right, and you can see that all animations are very actually correctly performed in the VirtualBox. So that's awesome. That's awesome thing. And also in the curved fold and fade, horizontal fold. Okay, so many animations have been added here. So that's cool. That's really cool. Okay, you can also do here, right? So just minimizing and unminimizing. Okay, so that's all for the animations, right? And so that's really cool. Now workspace settings. So suppose workspace switcher, turn it on, and you will see this workspace switcher. Just click here, and you can choose any of the workspace you want to work here. So that's very nice, really nice. Okay, so workspace switcher is there. And then window spread. Now window spread, and you can spread the windows from here, and these are the shortcuts: super W or super shift W. And window snapping, that means when you drag your window to the upper side, then it will be maximized. So I have to just open the files, right? And I can show you that what is this effect. Okay, so maximize. So I'm just dragging this to the upper side, and you can see this is the full screen, right? Okay, that's cool. So three buttons are available here, right? One is cross button, minimize, and maximize buttons. Okay, but in the Unity Tweak tool or the settings app, only you have two buttons. Okay, all others have all other apps have three buttons. So that's the thing. Or right half, you can do that right half portion, you can see, right? So that's very cool. All right. And now hot corners, talking about, now I really prefer to use hot corner. Suppose in this corner I want to use uh, spread all windows. I like this very much. Suppose I'm just opening some windows, I'm just opening some apps. This is the LibreOffice, and we will see. Okay, so LibreOffice 7.4, you can see this install. All right, and I'm now just going to this corner, and you will see the two desktops side by side. Whatever I can choose, I can switch. Suppose I'm opening some another app, suppose files. So I'm just opening files. Now three apps has been opened. Just for the switching, I'm going to this corner, and you can see very nice switching. So that's really cool, right? That's really cool. And I can also close the window from here. You can see I can close the windows from here. Very nice. Now some additional things, mouse click, and that you can see. You can pause the video and you can see. And coming to the appearance section, that is theme, that is the Yaru theme, Yaru dark theme, and radiance and ambience. This is the all historical themes of Ubuntu. Okay, you can change that also. Radiance theme, right? This is the historical theme, you know that, right? This is the radiance theme. All right. and currently this is the arrow theme. Right. And the icons, you can change the icons. Various icons are there. Here some extra icons you will get. Suppose humanity icons, this is the traditional icons you will get here. Humanity icons, right? These icons you will see. So also that's really nice. And cursor, you can change the cursor. You can change the cursor. Suppose red glass I'm using, and this is the white glass I'm using, or you can use the default, right? So that's the things. And in the system also you have some things to do. All right. So that's the Unity tweak tool. That's very impressive in this edition. And so actually the Ubuntu Unity is actually ready for your PC to actually work with daily basis. So daily driver, it may be the daily driver, of course. The Unity desktop is really stable looking, and this is the actually keyboard input manager. This is the ibus it is using. So I'm talking about that from this release. It is the official version, and it is now beta. The final version will be released in the October. Okay, just a few days later. Okay, so but this is actually looks very stable. So very stable OS, the Unity desktop, Ubuntu Unity. And of course some more will come in the Unity because it is now officially supported, so more developers will join the Unity team. So definitely some good news will come. Definitely the development will be accelerated, right? So that's all for today's video. If you are enjoying, then of course share to your friends and hit the like button, it will motivate me. And of course subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I'm actually uploading a video. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.